everyone, Stacy with JDS Industries. Excited to let you know we are selling DTF supplies. Everything from printers, inks, films, and cleaning supplies. So what is DTF, direct to film? The process starts by printing your design onto a special film. That film then runs through a shaker and dryer to apply and cure the adhesive. From there, you can cut your design and heat press it onto a wide variety of substrates. We have plenty more DTF videos coming to you soon, but in the meantime, if you have any questions, give us a call at 855-782-4657. We've got you covered.